I decided to sit down and really understand the famous ENA coin. Not the hype, not the anger on Twitter, not the rumors, just the real facts. And the deeper I went, the more I realized that this project is sitting right on the line between massive opportunity and serious risk. The first thing that caught my attention was what Ethena is actually trying to build. They're not just releasing another token. They're creating a whole financial ecosystem powered by their synthetic dollar, USDe, and their governance token, ENA. And recently, they introduced something that people have been waiting for, res staking. Now ENA and USDe can be restaked through Symbiotic and Layer 0. That instantly increases their utility. More utility means more reasons for people to actually want the token, and that usually creates demand. On paper, that's bullish. And it gets deeper because Ethena isn't stopping there. They're building the Ethena chain, a full blockchain for financial applications that will rely on USDe. If developers start using USDe inside decentralized financial apps, ENA becomes even more relevant. At this point, I thought, okay, this is impressive. But then I found the other side of the story. Right when the project is expanding, a big wave of ENA tokens, 40 million of them, was unlocked. That's a lot of liquidity hitting the market at once. And whenever a huge amount of tokens becomes available, people start to ask, are holders going to keep these tokens? Or are they going to cash out? Because if they sell, the price could take a hit. And the timing didn't help either, because one of the most influential figures in crypto, Arthur Hayes, has been selling large amounts of ENA. And when someone like Hayes sells, people notice. Not necessarily because he's always right, but because the market tends to follow his behavior. His selling alone put a cloud of negativity over ENA, and that sentiment trickled into the charts. After putting all this together, here's what my research really shows. ENA is not a simple coin. It's not a meme, it's not a pump and dump, and it's not a dead project. It's a complex ecosystem with major innovation behind it. It has some huge strengths: new utilities, powerful integrations, big exchange listings, real revenue distribution, and growing attention. But it also has real risks. Whale selling, token unlock pressure, regulatory uncertainty, a shaky moment in its stablecoin's history, and a bear trend that hasn't reversed yet. ENA is a coin that could go very far if Ethena executes perfectly. But it's also a coin that demands caution because the challenges are just as real as the opportunities. This isn't financial advice. This is just what the data and the story behind the project is saying. And now you know exactly what I found. Ethena, ENA, is a notable player in the decentralized finance, DeFi sphere, leveraging the robust capabilities of the Ethereum blockchain to ensure innovation and stability in the cryptocurrency market. Ethena operates on a dual-token system. ETH serves governance purposes, while ENA functions as a utility token. Ethena's standout offering is USDe, a synthetic dollar stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, providing a stable and efficient medium for exchange and savings, bypassing the conventional banking system. A noteworthy component of Ethena's functionality is its delta hedging strategy for managing the value of USDe. This involves creating short positions in the derivatives market to counterbalance Ethereum's price volatilities. Additionally, Ethena distributes yield by converting staking rewards, accrued from users staked Ethereum, STETH, into more USDe, thus offering users stable returns. The platform has garnered strategic partnerships with enterprises like World Liberty Financial, enhancing asset security through collaborations with custodians such as Copper and Kobo. On the tokenomics front, ENA boasts a significant market presence with a fully diluted valuation, FDV, of $5.6 billion and a circulating market value of $2 billion. Ethena's capital efficiency allows it to maintain a close to 1-to-1 collateral ratio, setting it apart from many stablecoin projects that often require excessive collateralization. This efficiency has enabled Ethena's USDe stablecoin to rank third by issuance volume, with over $5.5 billion in circulation as of March 2025. By catering to both retail and institutional interests, Ethena secures its position as a strong contender against established stablecoin rivals like USDT, USDC, and DAI. Platforms like CoinUnited.io can capitalize on trading Ethena by offering lower costs, cutting-edge trading tools, and enhanced user benefits, thereby positioning themselves as the go-to choice for ENA traders. At its core, Ethena ENA is shaped significantly by its market position. Compared to its competitors, ENA is still carving out its place in the crypto world, driven by its strategic alliances and innovations. Its market capitalization might not rival that of giants like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but partnerships with entities like World Liberty Financial, WLFI, and BlackRock have expanded ENA's reach and credibility. These alliances often act as catalysts for price rallies, showcasing the token's potential for growth.